Fuel Enterprises, Quality Energy Solutions. With 11 years of experience in the energy market, Fuel Enterprises has established itself as a leader in offering customized solutions to our clients. Our professional team, with over 40 years of industry experience, is dedicated to ensuring the quality of our products and efficient delivery. Through strategic alliances with leading global refineries, we supply products of the highest quality. Our Quantrix line of high-performance additives is just a sample of the innovation we offer. We also offer additive packages, such as fluid thickeners, as well as a wide range of base oils, ranging from Group 1 to Group 5. We also offer non-polluting and food-grade options, including naphthenic oils, glycols, solvents, specialty products, and fuels. At Fuel Enterprises, our commitment is focused on offering comprehensive, cutting-edge solutions that meet the needs of our customers in the energy sector. We work tirelessly to adapt to market demands and provide exceptional service. Together with our sister company, Quantum Logistics Services, we have a port of departure in the Everglades and a raw material storage system. With more than 20 years of experience in logistics, Quantum Logistics Services guarantees that our products arrive safely and on time to their destination, ensuring the satisfaction of our customers. At Fuel Enterprises, we are dedicated to driving growth and sustainability in the energy sector, offering products and services that help minimize environmental impact. Your trust is our greatest reward.